All right, let's take a look at this second question here. So it says true or false, the imaginary number negative square root of 5i is a solution to the equation x to the fourth plus 25 equals 0. Well, to tell if it's a solution, we can just plug it in. So I'm going to take that number, negative square root of 5i, and plug it in there. So I have negative square root of 5i to the fourth plus 25 is equal to 0. So the tricky part is we're going to have to simplify this, right? For this to be true, this is going to have to come out to be negative 25, right? Because negative 25 plus 25 equals 0. So first thing that happens is I'm going to take the negative square root of 5 and raise it to the fourth power. A negative to the fourth power is a positive. So I don't have to worry about the negative, but I'm going to have square root of 5 to the fourth. And I also have to raise the I to the fourth, right? Everything on the inside of those parentheses has to be raised to the fourth power. Well, to work through a fourth power, one way we can do it is we could think of it as being square root of 5 squared squared, right? If you have a power to a power, you multiply them together. So that's the same as a fourth power. The I squared is I to the fourth, sorry. You can write it as being I squared times I squared. So this part, square root of 5 squared is 5. Then I have another square, 5 squared is 25. So that works out to be 25 times by I squared is negative 1 and I squared is negative 1. Times them together. That's a positive 1. I to the fourth is positive 1. We talked about that in class. So we end up with this. 25 times 1 plus 25 equals 0. So that'd be 50 equals 0. That's definitely not true. So our answer on this one's going to be false. Let's just double check it, make sure we did it correctly. And we need to put in a capital F. And check our answer. All right, we got it correct. We're ready to move on.